Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Bitcoin from Uphold to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your assets or just getting started with hardware wallets, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you begin, ensure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Uphold account with some Bitcoin in it, and your Tangem wallet should be fully initialized and connected to your device. This is crucial for a smooth transaction and to keep your funds safe in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and select Bitcoin from your portfolio. You'll see your balance. Double-check that it's what you expect. Next, in Step 2, click on the Withdraw button next to your Bitcoin balance. This will prompt you to enter a wallet address. Now, grab your Tangem wallet, open the app on your phone or device, go to the Receive section, and generate a new Bitcoin address. Copy this address carefully. It's like a unique key to your wallet, so accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Moving on to Step 3. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the withdrawal field on Uphold. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there's often a minimum limit, so check that first. Then, review the transaction details, including fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to network updates. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button. Uphold will process your request, and you'll likely need to verify it with two-factor authentication for added security. Once approved, the Bitcoin will be sent to the blockchain. Expect it to take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, in Step 5, check your Tangem wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your Bitcoin should appear in your wallet. Pro tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. It's your digital fortress. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your Bitcoin from Uphold to your Tangem wallet. This method keeps your assets safer and more accessible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure and happy trading.